Hello, and a warm wind welcome to you on this beautiful day. I'm Renee Baribeau, the practical shaman, reaching out to share some timely wisdom from the ancient art of windwork. Amid the chaotic winds that seem to be swirling around us these times, it's more crucial than ever to find our center, to gather as community for ritual and ceremonies that keep us grounded and balanced. In the Windwalkers tradition, we use wind knots to gather, store, and release energy in harmony with the natural world. This practice teaches us not only to navigate life's gusts, but to capture the benevolent breezes of opportunity and wisdom. Imagine being able to carry a little gentle zephyr in your pocket, releasing it when needed for clarity, calm, or momentum when life arises. That's the power we harness in our wind knots. This coming Wednesday from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, later in the UK, I invite you to join for a sacred live gathering. It's a 3-hour wind knot ritual and ceremony where there'll be lesson, there'll be ceremony, there'll be time for introspection, and you'll make your own strand of wind knots. So whether you're beginning to sense the wind or you're a seasoned windy, I invite you to join us. We learn how to really set a good, strong intention, and then with each knot we tie, and there's magic to the way we tie them, we weave these intentions with the world's oldest spirits, the wind. Our rituals are enriched when we sit together in community and support each other through these processes. And the collective energy we bring to the circle empowers our wind knots. Let's join forces to tame the tempest and soar with the supporting winds of our community. If your heart feels the call, if your spirit senses the pull, this is your moment to act. To participate, simply click on the link in the post and secure your spot to be part of this worldwide gathering where the power of community magnifies the intention we set forth.